friends. Today the video is on Cyient Limited and we'll see how the company it is, whether you should invest in this company or not. Before starting the video, let me tell you that if you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Now let us start the video. Cyient Limited is one of the leading companies which provide solutions in the technology fields. Okay, now if you see its market capitalization, it is of 8,396 crore rupees, which means it's a small cap company basically. Okay, if you see its current price, it is trading at 760 rupees. If you see how it is made high and low it is made of 720 rupees, high it is made of 1,292 rupees. Coming to stock P by multiples, that is profit by earning multiples, it is of 17.1 times only. Book value is of 288 rupees. Dividend yield, it is of 3.16%. ROC, return on capital employed, is 20.4%. Return on equity is 17.2%. Face value of the share is rupees 5. Now if you think it's a basic thing, so when we considering a stock P by E, it is a decent one. Okay, it is a decent one compared to its peer group. It is trading at low stock P by E, that means it's an attractive valuation. Book value, it is trading at 288 rupees, which is just you could say whose current price is just nearby 3 times more than that of book value. Dividend yield, it is giving excellent dividend yield of 3.16%. Return on capital employed is also good one, 20.4%. Return on equity is also good one, 17.2%. So more or less everything is fine over here. But we have to go through its quarterly, we have to go through its performance, how the company has performed in the previous months as well as in the previous years. So when we see on the one day, it has given return of 1.38% return negative. In 5 day, it has given return of minus 4.26% negative. In 1 month, it has given return of minus 7.88% negative. In 6 months, it has given return of minus 8.88% negative. Year till date, it is given minus 28.50% negative return. In 1 year, it is given minus 36.07% negative return. In 5 years, it has delivered just 37.48% return. Just 37.48% return. Coming to maximum, it has delivered. So basically, this company was listed on 30 September 1998 and its price was 12 rupees and 78 paisa. From 12 rupees 78 paisa, it added 749 rupees into it and it becomes 762 rupees. So it is 5,862.44%. It has grown. That means if you have put in your 24 years of time, how much? 24 years. Then this company could have give you nearby 59 times of return. How much time? 59 times of return. And one more thing, plus you will get a dividend also. So dividend you are going to get nearby 3%. Keep this thing in mind. So 3%, that is multiplied by 24 years. So you have already earned nearby 72% of dividend money also. This is another return. So overall company is okay if you turn in the maximum period. Okay, so company is quite good one, not a bad one. So we'll put in a good recommendation. Now we'll see how the company has performed in the previous financial quarters as well as the previous financial years also. Now here we'll compare the last 4 quarters of the company. December 2021, we are comparing it of this March 2022. Then we are comparing it with June 2022. We are comparing it with September 2022. Sales figure, it is of 1,183 crore rupees. From there, it declined to 1,181 crore rupees. It increased to 1,250 crore rupees. Further increased to 1,396 crore rupees. So in sales, there is no problem. Every quarter it is increasing, leaving 1 quarter. Coming to operating profit, it is of 212 crore rupees. From there, it is equal to 212 crore rupees. Here it declined 193 crore rupees. Further increased to 205 crore rupees. So operating profit is also in a positive manner, leaving one quarter where it was in loss, where it was decrease in the one quarter. Apart from that, every quarter there is an increase reported on quarter basis. There is a growth in the operating profit also. Come to profit before tax, so 175 crore rupees increased to 208 crore rupees. Further, here it decreased to 160 crore rupees and further decreased to 108 crore rupees. So this is a very big worry for here. Despite big sale volume, then also profit before tax is decreasing. So that's a big, no, that's a big worry for that one, you could say. So I will put it in a negative manner. Capital net profit, it is of 132 crore rupees. From there it increased to 154 crore rupees, then declined to 116 crore rupees, further decreased to 79 crore rupees. So water funding debt continuous for 2 quarters, its our net profit is decreasing. Coming to EPS in rupees, it is of 11.95. From there it increased to 13.98. Here it decreased to 10.52, further decreased to 7.16. So water funded EPS is also decreasing in the continuous 2 quarters. That will put in a negative, that will mark EPS in a negative thing. So while going to the quarter and quarter basis analysis, sales is increasing, that's good. Operating profit is increasing, that's good. But profit before tax is declining, net profit is declining, EPS is declining. So on quarter basis, these three things are declining, which makes you worry little bit. So definitely it's not a good return. We could say definitely it's not a good it just that means on quarter basis that's not a good performance, you could say. Okay, so we could say that's not a good performance by the company. Now we have to go with its annual performance of the company in order to understand how the company is performing in the financial, how the company is given its financial return in the previous years. Now we'll compare the last 4 years of the company. Here it is March 2020, we are comparing that with March 2021, then we are comparing that with March 2022, then we are comparing that with till today month TTM basis. Sales figure, it is about 1427 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 4132 crore rupees, further increased to 4534 crore rupees, further increased to 5011 crore rupees. So sales is continuously increasing, so no worry for sales. Now come to the operating profit. So we're comparing here Y on Y basis. Keep this thing in your mind. That is year on year basis. Come to operating profit, it is of 546 crore rupees. From there it increased to 575 crore rupees. Further increased to 818 crore rupees. Here further increased to 822 crore rupees. So on an every year basis, its operating profit is increasing. That's a very good thing. Now come to profit before tax. It is 468 crore rupees. From there it increased to 477 crore rupees. For here it increased to 698 crore rupees, but here it declined to 651 crore rupees. So you could say in the current year its profit before tax is decreased, but for the continuous 2 years, 3 years it is increasing only. So we'll put this thing in a positive manner. Coming to net profit, it is of 341 crore rupees. From there it increased to 364 crore rupees, then further increased to 522 crore rupees. Now in case of profit, net profit over here, so what we are seeing that it has declined in the till today month. If you see, it is decreased in the current year. So overall you could say net profit is increasing. Coming to EPS in rupees, so it is 31.14. From there it increased to 33.06, further increased to 47.35, then it declined to 43.61. So EPS is decreasing on an every, no, EPS is decreasing, EPS is decreasing only in 1 year, but in 3 years it has increased only. So that's not a worry. So that's not a worry in any situation. So what we say, we could say that sales is increasing, operating profit is increasing, net Profit before tax is increasing, net profit is increasing, EPS is also increasing. So if you want, you could buy this stock. Okay, if you want, you could have a buy on this stock. You must wait for the 7 years of time in order to double the money, in order to get a two times of money. Only the good thing is that it gives a good dividend to you. Okay, dividend of 3% you could expect every year. So dividend, it is going to give a good one, that is 3% per annum. Okay, I hope you have liked the video. If you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the click bell icon so that you could receive each and every notification. Thank you.